Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the basics so casting has no place to hide. Take a neutral grip and set 50/50 pressure. That stabilizes release forces. Bend your knees about 90 degrees and tilt forward roughly 20 degrees from the hips so your chest can rotate around your spine. Align feet, hips, and shoulders parallel to the target and square the club face. Once done, make a small half-speed takeaway and pause at waist height to feel a connected club and arm triangle before moving into the next step. You must choreograph the downswing to preserve lag and avoid early casting. Initiate the sequence with your lower body. Shift and rotate the hips toward the target about 1/2 to 1 clubhead length before your hands move down. Keep the trailing elbow close and resist letting the clubhead whip from the top by holding wrist angle so the shaft points behind you. Make sure the lead wrist stays slightly cupped and firm. That delayed release stores energy and releases it through impact. You finish by achieving a true impact and then refining the release. At contact, ensure your hands are ahead of the ball and the shaft leans slightly toward the target so you compress the ball. After compression, let the forearms rotate naturally so the clubhead releases. Don't force it. If you feel casting creep back, use an impact bag or short swing drill for 50 focused reps per day to groove the sequence. Make sure to slow the tempo. Speed follows from correct mechanics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.